I understand your doubts. You've been sold a lot of stuff in your life that ended up not working. Part of it may have to do with what you bought. Part of it may have to do with who sold it to you. Part of it may have to do with the fact that you was not motivated. Part of it may have to do with the fact that you didn't have a team behind you. But I understand your doubts about any time you're thinking about getting involved in something new, that there's doubts that it's real. But to change, and to really change, you have to learn something new. And to learn something new, you really have to take a look at something different. You have to think something new, you have to say something new, and more importantly, you have to do something new. If you combine these, you can start changing. But I still understand your doubts. Your doubts hold you back from even having a look. But what I would like to offer you to do is have a look. I have a 15-minute video. If you look at it, just look at it, you don't have to provide any information. What you're going to receive from that video will be life-changing. I say this because we teach you just in that video the 4 currencies. We also teach you how to start focusing on above the line use of money as opposed to below the line use of money. Big difference. Above the line is you're using money before taxes. Below the line is using money after taxes. We do not want to use money after taxes if we can. There's multiple other things within the video that you'll see and you'll learn. That if you're looking for a change, if you're looking to do something new, if you're looking to learn how to get into real estate with little or none of your own money, you really want to have a look at this video. Again, we're not collecting any information. You can go below and you'll find a link, and that link will take you to a page. You just provide your name and my name, John Hobbs, and you watch the video. It's that simple. And then if you like it, we'll go from there. Then just leave a message below. But again, to change, you have to learn something new. You have to do something new. You have to say something new, and if you do that, you will change.